Trigger, the golden Palomino stallion known as Roy Rogers' loyal companion, was not only a cinematic icon but also a symbol of beauty, intelligence, and agility that captivated millions throughout the mid-20th century, and caring for such a remarkable horse required a blend of meticulous attention, specialized treatment, and deep emotional connection, beginning with the foundation of daily grooming. As Trigger's stunning golden coat had to be brushed several times a day with soft currycombs and body brushes to maintain its lustrous sheen and cleanliness, especially since he performed under bright studio lights that often attracted dust and sweat, which could irritate his skin if not cleaned regularly, and his mane and tail were gently detangled using high-quality detangling sprays, a wide tooth comb, and patient hands to ensure they remained tangle-free and photogenic. While hoof care was an equally vital routine carried out by expert farriers who trimmed and shaped his hooves every 6 weeks and used custom-fit horseshoes designed to support his posture and balance during his elaborate rearing stunts and galloping scenes on hard studio floors or rugged western sets, and beyond external grooming, his health regimen was equally sophisticated and carefully managed with routine veterinary checkups at least every quarter to monitor his joints, bones, and internal health. As Trigger had a demanding career that required high energy output and impeccable responsiveness, making it critical to prevent injuries or detect signs of strain early, and his diet played an essential role in sustaining his athleticism and glamour, as his favorite feed included alfalfa hay, fresh clover, premium oats, molasses-sweetened grain mixes, and occasionally apples and carrots as treats, which not only satisfied his palate but also provided the nutritional density necessary for sustained stamina, a gleaming coat, and optimal muscle tone, and each meal was measured precisely based on his activity level, body weight, and seasonal changes, with additional supplements like biotin for hoof strength, flaxseed for omega-3 fatty acids, and joint-supporting compounds such as glucosamine and chondroitin being mixed into his grain ration to ensure long-term resilience, especially as he aged, and hydration was another essential factor managed with constant access to clean, cool water. And during movie sets or travel, he was provided with portable water systems and electrolyte mixes to compensate for physical exertion, and behavioral care was just as integral, given Trigger's intelligence and deep bond with Roy Rogers, which was cultivated through daily training sessions that combined voice commands, gentle cues, and positive reinforcement techniques using treats, rubs, and verbal praise to shape his legendary trick performances like the Trigger rear, bowing, nodding, and dancing, all of which required mental sharpness, trust, and joyful cooperation rather than fear or pressure, and his stall was another element of his environment tailored for comfort and well-being, padded with clean straw or shavings changed daily to avoid infections or ammonia buildup, equipped with well-ventilated windows for air circulation, and often adorned with soft lighting to mimic a natural environment, and to prevent loneliness or mental fatigue. He was often allowed to interact with other horses or handlers he trusted, with enrichment activities like toys, obstacle courses, or light trail rides during off-filming days to keep his mind and body engaged. And in terms of treatment protocols, Trigger received massage therapy to reduce muscular tension and promote circulation, especially after long days on set, as well as chiropractic adjustments by equine specialists to ensure his spine and legs stayed aligned due to the unique physical demands of his rearing and stunt routines. And in rare instances of illness or injury, he was administered natural remedies along with modern veterinary care, including anti-inflammatories or antibiotics when necessary, always under careful supervision, and Trigger's resilience was enhanced through preventive care such as routine dental checkups to float his teeth, deworming schedules adapted to seasonal parasite risks, and vaccinations against equine influenza, tetanus, and West Nile virus, ensuring he remained healthy in diverse filming environments, whether indoors or across the vast western landscapes, and his legacy extended beyond the silver screen, as Trigger became a living example of the benefits of proper horse care. His shiny coat, calm demeanor, high intelligence, and unyielding stamina were all direct outcomes of comprehensive wellness practices, and his positive public image educated millions about the value of humane and attentive animal care, especially during an era when many working animals were not given the same level of respect or treatment. And among the countless benefits of keeping a horse like Trigger healthy and content were his remarkable loyalty, extraordinary ability to perform complex tricks under pressure, and the emotional comfort he brought to Roy Rogers and fans alike. reinforcing the idea that animals thrive when treated not merely as tools but as intelligent companions deserving of love, consistency, and thoughtful support. And even in retirement, Trigger continued to receive luxurious care that honored his contributions and maintained his well-being, and after his passing, he was preserved through taxidermy not merely as a display, but as a testament to the bond he shared with his rider and the deep impression he left on American culture, which still celebrates him as a symbol of classic Western spirit, impeccable discipline, and the powerful results of proper equine stewardship.